welcome to English, the roller coaster ride. I'm your host, Darren Tigira.
And I'm Mark Barcelona. Today we have the lineup of 5 episodes who face the challenge and embrace their joy in learning this language.
First up, we have Hannah Garcia. Hannah, can you tell us the greatest advantage of learning English?
Well, Mark and Lyra, it's like having a backstage class with local concert. English is everywhere. So suddenly you can understand conversation like never before. It also enhances travel experiences. Wait, I sounds like I'm ready.
Very true. Wait, you ready? What about you? I can see you're not so financially stable woman.
Now let's proceed to our second interview. What's your name again? Hello, sorry.
Felicia, what's the funniest challenge you face when learning English?
Yes, that's question fits me very well. The verb tenses are different. For real. Simple, continuous, perfect, and present. Continuous are the tenses that correspond to past, present, future. They can be confusing, especially if you don't have free translations available in your own language. And all the things they sounds, it's like my comic sounds track. I tried saying 3,036 once, and let's just say it wasn't great.
This ride is great, Felicia. I can also relate to that. Next up, we have Leah. What an advantage that always puts smile on your face.
Definitely the humor. OMG, the somewhat air humor here online. But it improved communication with English-speaking friends and colleagues because of that. English is filled with bands, wordplay, and jokes that make no sense but are hilarious. It's like being part of global comedy club.
Love that. Now we want to hear some of your humor.
Oh, I gotta go. I feel so pressured. You're like my university.
I guess we're all have economic. Let's now to our fourth guest, Jenny Gumaco. Jenny, any funny encounters yet challenging with English accents?
Oh, absolutely. I thought I mastered English because I watched Peppa a few times and I had a conversation with a British person online. And it was like trying to understand a conversation between aliens. Brilliant, but
Girl, who would think that you can master the British accent by just watching Peppa Pig a few times only?
me, of course.
Obviously, you're delusional.
Finally, we have Joshua Dubla. Joshua, what's the challenge that made you go?
Well, definitely mastering those early companies. I tried saying, she sells seashells by the seashore fast, and it was more like an interesting workout. Seashells, oh forget it.
Why we're hearing sheesh? You're using us up, sheesh.
Well, learning the English language improves the economic and academic benefits of learning English. There's no denying that the usage of English across the variety of fields enhance your prospects and abilities. That implies that when you acquire proficient English, your income prospects also rise drastically. So writing well in English is also essential for academic success. Why? Because it enables students to efficiently convey their concepts, claims, and research findings.
Learning the English language offers a myriad of advantages, providing access to global communication, educational opportunities, and career prospects.
However, it's come to challenges such as mastering its intricate grammar, pronunciation, nuances, and overcoming potential language barriers despite the obstacles. The benefits of English language proficiency far outweigh the difficulties, opening doors to a world possibilities and enriching cross-cultural understanding.
Fantastic! Thank you all for sharing all your language escapades. And to our listeners, keep riding the English roller coaster because it's wild, it's wacky, but it's